you have IRS tax debt, you got to watch out what the IRS will be doing to you. At the very beginning of any case, we want to know what collections department is assigned to you. We have the ACS department, special compliance, which is a part of ACS. Third is we have these private collections agencies. And last and the most powerful is field collections, where the IRS assigns a revenue officer against. Now, the majority of the cases are assigned to ACS, and typically these are the easiest cases to deal with. They are readily available with the most manpower that the IRS has. And whenever they're assigned to your case, it's very important that you at least communicate with them and resolve any issues directly with them. If you're going for a longer-term solution like an offer in compromise down the road, audit reconsideration, you may first have to notify them to make sure you have enough time to do what you have to do administratively down the road. Now, special compliance is a complete waste. They are actually a division of ACS. It doesn't make sense how they assign cases, but typically it's those that are self-employed or have older, longer debt, or sometimes when they cannot get a hold of you, it goes to special compliance. Same thing to resolve any issues with them. Make sure it's directly with them because they do have the authority to levy and garnish. Third is the private collections agency, which I believe is a complete violation of taxpayer rights and your right to privacy. The only thing they could do is pester you and try to coordinate some kind of payment arrangement with the IRS. But ultimately, they have no authority to resolve any issues. What we do on behalf of our clients is we actually send the cases back to the IRS and then we resolve it for a long-term solution. Dealing with IRS field collections when they assign a revenue officer is the toughest type of case you can encounter. These employees are powerful and they have the authority to issue out levies, garnishments, file federal tax liens. Dealing with the collections department is very important. You never want them to take action against you and leave you in a vulnerable position where you're left with a levy where they actually wipe out your bank account. So for this, make sure you have your finances in order, as those are the steps in order for you to stop the IRS. If you're being hounded by IRS collections and want a free case review to see how you can get out of it, comment IRS collections. My team will reach out and we'll coordinate that free case review.